We opened this space because we've been working out of my garage for the last 5 or 6 years, and we definitely outgrew that space. And it's great because we have the studio in the back where we make everything, and then we have in the front retail and a gallery where we're able to display our work and where we're trying to engage the community at large with art and positivity. So definitely we found that this space is a destination for people in Chicago and then also people visiting. We'll get people coming in all the time that they've seen the stickers everywhere and they can't believe that we have a space and they're so excited to be here. And for people like that, we give like tours of the whole space and it's just really fun. So we've done about 35 public art installations in Chicago, and then we've begun to go around the bottom of the lake, which has been really fun. And then we've also distributed over 5.5 million stickers. I think Chicago is a great place to run a business. I feel like everyone is very collaborative. It seems like everybody's willing to sort of come together and help you. Well, it's an honor to be a part of this community of makers and creators, and it's incredible, all these different people living their dreams and also offering either a service or themselves to Illinois. I think it's great.